Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sana and you're watching Sana World. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this makeup look with Maybelline Fit Me range, and also some products are Maybelline because Maybelline doesn't have a lipstick, eyeliner, mascara in Fit Me range, and some of the products are from Maybelline and also some of the basic main products are from Fit Me range. So yeah, let's see how I created this look with all Maybelline products. If you want to know how I created this makeup look with Fit Me range products, then keep on watching. So this is very easy to create. You can also create by yourself. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So yeah, this is my bare face. So I have applied a moisturizer in off cam, and now I'm going to moisturize my lips with baby lips. This is also from Maybelline and the shade name is Berry Crush. One of my favorite lip balm. Next is primer. Here I'm using Fit Me Dewy Finish Primer from Maybelline. I actually squeezed a lot, so I don't know what to do, and after a minute I pulled all the products into the tube. So yeah, this much product is enough for your face. Apply gently all around your face and leave it for 5 minutes. Apply very generously. And you can see I got pimple on my nose and face, but it's okay, it comes and goes. That is a normal skin like, so don't worry about that. If your skin is having acne or pimple, don't worry, it will be healed soon. I applied a orange corrector in off cam because we don't have a orange corrector in Maybelline. So next I'm gonna set this orange corrector with Maybelline Fit Me Compact. This is also a favorite compact for daily use. After this, moving on to foundation, the main step. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The shade name is 338 Spicy Brown. I am just dotting around my face, cheeks and all over my face like forehead, nose. After that I am blending with the beauty blender. Today I am not going to use a brush because beauty blender and Maybelline Fit Me foundation is super combinations for a lightweight makeup and simple look. So I'm dabbing on my face. Yeah, that's it. And now concealer. For concealer, here I'm using two concealers which is from Maybelline Fit Me. One is Cafe 50 and another one is Deep 35, the shade name. One is exact match to my skin and another one is little lighter. So I'm gonna mix both the concealer on my under eye area. Yeah. Blending process is very important for a natural look and a subtle look. Otherwise, it will look cakey and it won't stay for long. If you want long lasting makeup means you should have to blend well, neatly blend. Now I'm gonna set this foundation with the same compact which I already showed here. That is Maybelline Fit Me. The shade name is 330. I'm using Beauty Blender to set this foundation and concealer. You can see how flawless my skin is looking right now cause I'm using very minimum product and also my blending process is very neat. And now we don't have a Fit Me eyeliner, so here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. Going to do a wing liner. Always I prefer a wing liner little bit cause I love wing liner on my eyes. Wing liner suits on my eyes, so I always prefer that. Sharp edge inner corner are also my favorite part, so I'm doing like that. And now for kajal, here I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm taking the gel in the same brush which comes with that pack. And next step is mascara. We don't have a Fit Me mascara, so yeah, here I'm using Hypercurl Maybelline mascara on my lashes. I'm applying 3 to 4 coats. And next is lipstick. We don't have a Fit Me lipstick, so here I'm using Maybelline Sensational. The shade name is Rust Red, I think so. I didn't remember the shade name exactly. I think Brick Red. I don't know, sorry. Or I will give it in a description what the shade name is. But and next I'm gonna apply highlighter. This is also from Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm applying on my cheekbones and the nose, tip of the nose, and on my brow bones. That's it. Look is completed with the earrings. gonna set my full face with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless 24 hours setting spray. I'm gonna spit all over my face. This is also a good matte setting spray in Fit Me range. Leave it for a few minutes, let it be dry, and I thought let's apply some highlighter on my eyelids to pop up my eyes to give eyeshadow look, and also the look has enhanced more beautifully. So yeah, this is my entire look with Maybelline Fit Me range and Maybelline products. Hope you like it. Actually, this makeup stays for at least 6 hours without any touch up, because these products are from Maybelline and also this is good in quality. It stays for more than 6 hours. So yeah, this is the look. Hope you like it and hope you enjoyed it. You can also create by yourself. So yeah, let's meet you on another video. Bye bye. See you soon.